A shame that he didn't have the stuff enough to save his stuff. It would seem the limits of this family's cruelty knows no bounds.
Ain't my fault the boy was gutless.
And now, nutless.
What's nuts?
My case continues to be made before my eyes. Moving on to the monstrous matriarch.
Who's that supposed to be? Me?
This one's astute. Below you is a molten vat of genetic material. Something I'm told you were once quite fond of.
How dare you, you lying sack of shit!
Over a short span of time, you will find yourself reacquainted with your past. If you desire to avoid this reunion, then you must say something truthful and from the heart to the remaining members of your family before you decide to break the rules of this game. Know that your bonds have been intertwined with a device to ensure your truth. Any attempt at being untruthful will result in a game over and a drop to your sticky and scalding end. Let the game begin.
Oh God!
Kill him, man! You never so much! You can say something nice, no problem!
Right! Toby! You're just so handsome! Honey! You're a great husband! A good husband! Toby! Did you know you make mommy so... Honey! You're inadequate. What the hell with this? I love you guys so much.
Oh God! Darling! No! I knew you so much! I'll get my Jack and Smokes now! What?